Hey you guys, it's Celeste Diva here today, and I'm coming to you because I finally am going to do another makeup video. And what I want to show you guys today is how to do a 5-minute soft glam look. So if you guys have been watching my Instagram lately, then you know I am all about the soft glam. Okay, I have done myself the queen of soft glam looks. And so if you guys don't know what soft glam is a full face makeup look with all the parts and pieces that still gives the illusion that you look like yourself. Okay, so how I explain soft glam on my Instagram is like, if your baby daddy's coming over, your soft glam look is where he's gonna be like, ooh, what did you put on your face? What is that? What? It's like no one part of the look is stronger than the other. And so it just creates a really nice, natural, healthy glow. So before we get started today, I want to go through and I want to show you everything I'm going to be using, so that way you can pick up similar products. But this is a soft glam using like drugstore price, drugstore makeup. You guys know I'm budget beauty baller, so everything you should be able to find at the Walmart or comparable. And then we're just gonna jump in and get started, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do this full makeup look really quick. So for my face, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Matte Poreless in color 358 Latte. I'm gonna use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in dark 46. I'm going to set that concealer with my Maybelline Fit Powder in medium deep. I'm going to set my face with the L'Oreal, oh my gosh, I don't know what this is called. This is the L'Oreal Ultra Matte Powder. I'll put it in the bio. I'm going to use my LA Colors Mineral Blush in Spice Rum. I'm going to use my Burgundy Bar palette from Maybelline only for the highlight. And so if you have any like champagne highlights, if you have the Master Chrome, you can highlight with something else. I'm just really in love with this right now. And then we're also going to use the Ruby Kisses eyeliner for our brows, okay? And then let me show you the brushes that we're going to use. A spoolie to brush out our brows, a tapered flat brush for our concealer, and a beauty blender for our concealer as well. A large buffing brush for our face powder, a blush brush, a smudge brush for our brows, and then I'm also going to be using my applicator tool for my lashes. Okay, so that is all the products that we're going to use today. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So yeah, so that's it for brows. We're gonna take our Maybelline Matte in 355 Latte, warm it up on our hand. But remember, we're in a rush, girl. We're in a rush. And I'm going to take this other brush I didn't mention, which is my Face Expert brush from Real Techniques. I'm gonna dab it on my face. Here, here, here. And I'm just gonna blend it out. Now we're going to take our ColourPop No Filter Concealer in 46 and just go in here with it. Do a first layer down the bottom and then do a thicker layer right under the eye. Get in the nose. Right here, right here. Cool. And now we're gonna take our powder brush. I'm gonna dip it in our Maybelline Fit powder, and we're going to set our under eye. As you can tell, this gives the airbrush look that we all know and love. So we're good there. And so what we're gonna do next, because we're in a hurry, is we're gonna take our foundation brush and we're gonna dip it into our L'Oreal matte powder, and we're gonna set our foundation. Now this color is obviously much, much warmer than our foundation, and so it's bringing my skin up to a not so vampire-y finish. We're powdered up. We're good to go. We're gonna take our same eyebrow brush and we're just gonna blend our eyebrows straight down. This is a no eyeshadow look. And blend out the top. So we basically almost completed our 5-minute glam. Like, we're literally almost done. So the only thing that we need to do now is we're going to take our blush, okay, which is, it's called Spice Rum. It's like a deep coral, and you want to layer that on really good. Don't bring it across the nose a little bit. Yes. Don't be shy. We're going to put our lashes. So I'm going to apply the glue to the bands and to my eye. Notice I don't have on any eyeshadow. I don't have on any mascara. The lashes take your regular look to a glam look. And so normally when I was in the car, or when I'm in the car, what I would do is while this is drying, I would finish up my lips and my highlight, and then the only thing left to do would be to put on my lashes. But I want you guys to see the whole process, so I'll be right back when I get my lashes on. Back here with my lashes put on, I'm using my own brand of lashes, of course, in the style Big Baby. Okay, so these are big, voluptuous lashes that help take my regular, everyday, boring look to like a better sort of look, okay? So we still don't have on any eyeshadow. We've only done the things that we've done, so I didn't add anything else besides the lashes. So all I'm gonna do now to finish up my look is I'm gonna line my lips. This, of course, so really, you guys, this is like a 10-minute look. For me, I can really bust this out in 5 minutes, but we'll say this is a 10-minute look. But if you skip some of these arbitrary steps, like the lashes, like using 2 different concealers, like the lip liner, then you could really bust this down in 5 minutes, I promise. And then I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in color Stripped, because it's like a nudie nude, and I'm just gonna, I find that I can't put on their lipsticks like a lipstick. Like, I have to dab it out. Because it has really good color, but these liquid lipsticks are just so dry. And I hate dry lips. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of gloss to go on top. And this is like a ultra shiny, ultra glittery gloss. This is Diamond Gold Lip Gloss from Nika K. I got this got this from the hair store for just a few dollars. And the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little brush. If you're on the road, you can use your fingers, and I'm just gonna mix 2 champagne colors together for my highlight and highlight my nose bone here, a little bit on my forehead there, my lips, a little bit of my chin. Okay, you guys, and that's it. I just added a little bit more gloss, but this is my quick 10-minute soft glam look. Obviously, it looks like I have on a full face, but it's just subtle enough to fool your baby daddy. Trust me. If you guys have any questions or comments about this, make sure that you visit my blog to where I'm going to link all the products, and that you visit me on Instagram at The Lush Diva, thelushdiva.com, and Facebook at The Lush Diva. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoyed this really quick look. I'm gonna try to do a before and after right here so you can see, because it's so soft. It almost looks like I didn't do anything, but if I show you the before, we definitely have some makeup on. So thank you guys so much for watching and for all your support, your love, your clicks, your likes, all the above, and I will see you next time.